About to lay down another verse on my way to work. It's a little story about me. When I first started rapping, I would sit up in my class, never cared if I passed, all day just writing my rhymes till I was lost in time. Didn't care how I did it, I was gonna get mine, but they told me I was crazy chasing silly fantasies. But the sky is the limit, and I'm aiming for the stars cause they belong to the sky. As I try to burn bright, I thought it wouldn't take me long, but I was far from full grown, never tasted the real life. I was running on pride and ignorance all along. Thought I had it figured out, but still I had a long road. It takes a real man to be making a plan, but I didn't quit mine, and I gave it more time before I gave it a try. This was 2005, I was 15 and stupid and thinking I was a shit, but couldn't even make a living. What fucking struggles I'm giving, yo, I'm only a child. Should I just quit rapping, I'll postpone it and grow? Come back in a few years and your name will explode. That's the road that I chose. 2 more years down the road and I was ready to go, but little did I know my road continued to grow. That's all you can get right now, yo. Distraction.